Hey guys, in today's world, we survive on data, but the data is only relevant when it can be converted to information. Here in this video, we'll explore how we can use our golden tool Excel to convert data to information. And the best part of Excel is that it gives us the ability to make dashboards. So let's have a look how my raw data can be converted to a dashboard. Here is a file which I have, which is on product sales, and I have a raw data here, which is predicting a sales month-wise per product per locations. And we are also having some kind of counters available like call handle, average in the handle time, the sales and the revenue. Now, guys, please notice this is an entire raw data. To have converted into information, we need to process my data step by step. So the first step that I took was to convert this raw data to the pivot tables, the required pivot tables, which would come up with the kind of data I required. So the first pivot table that I have created is the product and along with the sales and the sum of revenue. The second pivot table that I've created is location wise call handled, and the third is the location wise average handle time. Now, what I'll do is I'll convert these pivot to charts and would create a dashboard for myself. Now, what could a dashboard be like? A dashboard should be informative and at the same time very clean so that it could be understood easily. So let's have a look at the dashboard. I have a dashboard here which is predicting my sales as well as revenue and the total calls handled location wise and average handle time, that to location wise. This entire data is coming from these three pivots. So the first graph that I've created is a combined graph of bar and a line chart, which is giving you a sales and revenue information. And the other two are the pie charts per location, the calls handled and the average handle time. Over here, I've used slicers to manage my data as per the counter. Say, for example, I just want to see the data for the month of January, and I'll just select January. Kindly notice my average call handle, the average handle time, as well as the sales graph changes accordingly. Now, in January, I just want to see it for the location too. So you can see how my graphs, all the three graphs moves accordingly for that locations. And now let's omit some product from here. Now can you see how the way the graphs have changed? So these are called as slicers and they are supposed to control my data as a dashboard. So this is an example of a very simple dashboard. So thank you. Keep watching for more videos.